Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings. Next you have to enter display section. Go to the advanced wallpaper. You can select one of the live wallpapers if you have one. You can also set one of the preset wallpapers pre-installed on this device, or you can select here your own image as a wallpaper if you have one. I'll just go with one of the presets. Let's select, for example, this one, and then tap set wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And that's it. As you can see, wallpaper changed. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.